Everyone is worried about AI replacing game developers. And sure, it's scary. New tools, faster output, infinite content. But here's the uncomfortable truth. AI isn't replacing you. Your habits are. Let me explain, because this is probably about you. If you are feeling anxious about AI, it's usually not because it's too powerful. It's because deep down you already feel replaceable, not useless, just unsure where your value actually comes from. And that's where the real problem starts. AI isn't taking jobs from people who think, it's replacing people who execute without understanding. People who copy workflow they didn't design, rely on tutorial they can't adapt, wait for best practices before acting. That style of work was fragile before AI showed up. AI just exposed it. And here's why this matters for you. Because when your confidence is built on tools, every new tool feels like a threat. New engine version results in panic. New AI feature results in panic. New workflow results in panic. Not because change is bad, but because your foundation isn't solid yet. AI can generate code. It can generate assets. It can generate ideas. What it can't do is decide what matters. It can't feel when a mechanic is boring. It can't sense when the scope is wrong. It can't take responsibility for cutting features or shipping something imperfect. That part is still yours, but only if you've been practicing it. Here's the uncomfortable question. When was the last time you solved a problem without a guide? Fixed something by reasoning it out? Finished a feature even though it wasn't perfect? If those moments are rare, AI feels terrifying. If they are normal, AI feels like a powerful tool. Same technology, different outcome. Now the chainsaw doesn't replace the carpenter. It replaces the person who never learned how to build. So no, AI isn't replacing you, but avoidance is. Over-reliance is. Waiting to feel ready is. And the fix isn't learning AI tools faster. It's rebuilding trust in your own thinking by building small things, breaking them, understanding why they broke. That's the skill that compounds with or without AI. If this video made you uncomfortable, that's not fear, that's clarity. Hit like if this reframed things for you. Subscribe if you want game dev talk that actually prepares you for what's coming. AI isn't your replacement, but it's a mirror. What it shows depends on how you have been working. Now go open your project and own one decision today that no tool can make for you. That's how you stay relevant.